Zibiki Saganage Gijagad is Saturday. Gazibiki Saganage Gijagad is Saturday. Gazibiki Saganage Gijagad is Saturday. That's how we say Saturday in a Ojibwe.
Oh, not too
Yeah,
bad.
that's really good. Hey, bonjour! Bonjour ni Anishinaabe Dog. Welcome back to Bonjour Nana Bonjour, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And today, our Ojibwe word of the day, Kazibigi Saginage Gijagud. Floor washing day, or as we say, Saturday. So we were just singing it, and I always tell the kids if the Ojibwe word you're learning is really long like this, put it to music. That's a good way to memorize it. Gizibiki saginage, Gijagad is Saturday in Ojibwe. That's how we say. Yeah. So Gizibiki saginage. Floor washing, Keisha good day. And in our way, our days of the week kind of tell us what we should do on that day. Like Sundays, Anama e Keisha good. It's prayer day. Sunday's the day to spend in prayer. But Saturday, it's a day to clean your house. It's floor washing day. So sweep up, vacuum. Take out wash that kitchen floor. And yeah, so that's all I have for today. Kazibigi Saginage Gejagud. Floor washing day. Or Saturday. Alright. Well, hey, you've been watching Buju Nana Buju, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And we will see you again. Kiga Wabamin Minawa. Hoa. Kizibiki Saginage. Gijagad is Saturday. That's how we say Saturday in Ojibwe. Hey.